Hello and welcome back. What did you say, Zach?
Make sure to like, subscribe and smash the comment button.
So today is Sunday, it is my weekend off, and every Sunday when I'm off, what do we do, Zach?
We go to Lossie.
Yeah, so we're going to
dogs.
Yeah, we're going to on the dog walk. We're going to Lossiemouth, which is one of the RAF bases where the typhoons, where all the typhoons come from to intercept the Russian jets. So yeah, I will give Chris the camera at some point and he can record out the window on the way there. It's not going to be a very long video because I'd feel like an idiot with my camera out.
Let me do it for you.
So, oh, who have we got?
Mrs. Sausage Dog, aka let me do it for you.
Yeah, Mabel! Who's very excited. This is her first time on this dog walk, which I know sounds weird because she's a dog, but you'll see. There's just a lot of other dogs and she's very
Yeah, she might get put in her place because she's always barking.
We'll see.
With your back.
Ask him. I hope you enjoyed Chris's scenery.
Tonight at 7 p.m.
Photography skills.
Zach, hello, we're here. Mabel, we're here.
Tonight at 7 p.m.
Mabels! Mabel just wants to get out, but we've still got about half hour to wait.
There's doggies!
Chris has just got out to get a coffee. Mabes! Mabel! Girl, it's okay. Hey. Don't start with that high-pitched squealing. She's got her Apple tag on. Look.
Can I please be excused?
You're a good girl. Do you not look? So she's got her mat there, Zach's there, and she is on the bit that she shouldn't be on. Oops. Mabels.
Lucas, where did you hear that? Hey! Which one of you fart sacks took my shower?
Zachary, that's a terrible word. No F words, please.
Crocs.
Said fart.
It's an F word. Yeah, it's an F word. Mabel.
It isn't.
No.
Suddenly.
Get. You're just gonna trip someone over. In a bush. That's the only place you can go, is in a bush.
I'll find where I can go up the hill.
I know. You having another pee? Mate. Mabel, come. Come. You're doing good. Come. Vibes. That's Terry. Come. Yeah. Teaching Mabel to be off lead. It's very good. Kind of Mabs. Keeping her away from the ferocious beasts. Or is Mabel the ferocious beast? Is Mabel the ferocious beast? Go on in. She should stop. That's sniffing. That doesn't count. Mabes, come. Wow. Woo! Come, come, come. Good girl. Come on in. Be good if I could whistle properly. Come. No, she's just not going to listen to anything. She shouldn't go too far. Still got her lead attached. Gone from the beach to the woods. Not really recording a lot, but how are we supposed to record a lot? My hands are absolutely filthy. Covered in sand. Let's see how far she'll go. Until she realises we're not there. Ahem. She shouldn't go any further. There we go. Good girl! Good girl. Coming in.
Yeah, you get covered by the steering wheel.
Oh, well, I don't think... Let's put it there. Oh, that's quite good. I don't think we've got a lot because it is so difficult to try and control a dog and film. And my hands kept on getting covered in sand. It was gross, but it's a video. That was cool. Walking with lots of dogs. No?
Yeah.
Jack? Mabel? Did you have a good time? Yeah. Jack, did you have a good time?
I didn't see Ella.
No, we've got to go and get Ella from work. Shops and that over that way. Yeah. And this is where the typhoons fly from. Which is kind of cool, but there's none flying now, otherwise I would show you, but I'd also miss it because they go really fast. But we're going back now. I seriously need a shower. I've got sand in places I shouldn't have sands. But I don't know, we'll be filming a video again. I don't know where, why, when, how. Oh, we're moving. Yes, that's what we're doing. Well, hopefully we're moving. So that's why I started a channel again, because we moved. Because we moved in with my mum and it's like it doesn't feel appropriate to film like what we're going to film.
My mum.
Yeah, there's not anything to be filming, but obviously moving there'll be loads to film and we can just get back to our normal schedule, which would be cool, exciting. But I need to go pick Ella up. I'll tell you how far away Ella works. Mabel, so she's 26 miles away, 47-minute drive. That is not fun. So yeah, away we go.
Start en route to Deans of Huntley.
I'll see you later.
Proceed to the route, then turn